Just gone 5 a.m. in the morning at the Queen's Jubilee Charity Rickshaw Bike Ride 2012. Queen's Jubilee Rickshaw and Bike 2012. Queen's Jubilee Punjabi Wolves Rickshaw and Bike Charity Bike Ride. मेरा ख्याल राइडर ने दूध बादाम लस्सी एन पूरी पी के आए आ. This charity ride is designated for 5 charities: Promise Dreams, The Haven Wolverhampton, India Housing Project. There's
Anji. He's one for the album. Oh my god.
Okay, cut it there. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll leave you to get stretching.
Yeah, alright, cheers, thanks. That's nothing. That's what I call an inexperienced rider.
Training wise, have you been training hard?
Yes, in the local bar.
Yeah.
No, just
We've got a supporter of Punjabi Wolves with us, who's been a supporter of Punjabi Wolves for many, many years. He's here with us this morning to support us and just give us a pat on the back, as they say in English. Loving support. One of the main guys, he's been a true spirit.
yeah. That'd be funny, yeah. Sangat TV standing there.
We've got Kuli here. Get a picture of Gordon there at the back showing he's dead. Are you fit for the ride tomorrow?
I'm always fit and ready.
Great unity in the camp.
Yeah, it looks that way. हम पीछे देख लो, जप्पियाँ पाके बैठे हैं. आप भी जप्पियाँ पाके चलिए.
Because you got a big nut.
Big nut.
Andy! Just a few words. Just a few words with Andy Sahota, one of the original members of the Punjabi Wolves charity group. How's he going so far?
Yeah, it's no, I'm doing it. I can't do it, man.
Go, Paji. How's the ride going so far?
Hard. I'm ready to do another 130, really is easy.
पर अपने अंदरों गर्मी बहुत है ना.
हाँ जी, ये तो है. Temperature चढ़ी जाता.
How's the boys at the moment? How's the morale in the team?
Very good, very good. Parathe खाए जाते हैं. Very good, ना. No hachar and thing, but we quieten down those rumours about a mutiny, you know. So there's no mutiny. They're happy with the parathe.
Very good. And how's the rickshaw going?
Rickshaw, I don't know. They've done something to the wheel, I think. Made buckle day like the
We've smacked into a car.
I'm gonna be riding the rickshaw for 5 miles, so I've got my turn coming up in a short while.
More than 5, that's that.
You know, that's saying it's all for a good cause.
Yeah.
Well, it's been a bit of a struggle, but you know, we're soldiers, innit?
How you find it? No, what are you doing? What are you eating? Go on then. Go on.
Yeah. That's fine. Okay, yeah, alright, it'll call you now, yeah? Okay, alright, thanks mate, cheers, bye. He never stops talking.
Andy!
Guys, I've done tremendously well. 56 miles.
How are you? I don't mind actually.
Let me tell you the way.
I don't say nothing on camera. Hang that. No. You might as well just do some interviews.
I'm doing one right now.
Shut your mouth. Straight to the right. There you go. See you later.
You know that's how we roll, man.
Come on, ladies, come on, ladies. One